Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am privileged to present to you my topic entitled Contemporary Issues and Status of the Sharia Justice System in Marawi City. As we know, the Sharia justice system in the Philippines, rooted in Islamic principles, operates alongside the secular legal system in the Philippines. We also know that the Sharia justice system in the Philippines holds a unique role within the country's legal framework because it addresses the specific needs of the Muslim population, particularly in areas like Marawi City, where Islam is deeply rooted. Through the PD 1083, or the Code of Muslim Personal Laws, the Sharia courts were created to govern matters between Muslims on marriage, divorce, inheritance, among others. However, despite its significance, the Sharia justice system faces numerous challenges, including shortage of courts, trained legal professionals, inefficiencies due to nepotism and under-resourced facilities, lack of public trust, and others. This study delves into these issues, offering insights and recommendations for reform to enhance the system's accessibility, credibility, and alignment with contemporary legal and human rights standards. This topic directly ties into the broader themes of the course Seminar on Contemporary Issues in Muslim Law because it addresses the challenges and evolution of Sharia law in the face of modern issues, conflict, and legal pluralism. It not only deepens understanding of Muslim legal systems, but also prompts discussions on how Islamic law can be a dynamic tool for justice in contemporary multi-ethnic societies like the Philippines. So, what are the challenges or issues currently confronting the Sharia justice system in the Philippines, particularly in Marawi City, as gathered from research articles, related books, and personal interviews from clerk of courts and Sharia counselors or practitioners in Marawi City, highlighting the factors that are hindering the effective administration and enforcement of the Sharia justice system. One of the most pressing issues confronting the Sharia justice system in Marawi City is its overburdened nature and the limited scope of its jurisdiction. Sharia courts, primarily tasked with handling matters related to personal status law, yet they have limited jurisdiction and resources to deal with criminal law or other broader legal issues. This limited scope has led to a backlog of cases as the courts cannot effectively manage the increasing caseload. This limited functionality also exacerbates the burden on the courts, creating an inefficiency that is difficult to address without expanding both their scope and resources. Another issue confronting the Sharia justice system in the Philippines, particularly in Marawi City, is the lack of trained legal professionals who can properly administer justice based on Islamic law. There is a shortage of skilled Sharia counselors because there may be many Sharia counselors today, but not all has the necessary formal education or training in Islamic law required to provide accurate, competent advice. Moreover, we know the role of ulama in Sharia courts, but not all ulama have the specific qualifications required for judicial functions in Sharia courts, especially when it comes to applying Islamic law in the context of modern legal issues. Another issue confronting Sharia justice system is the lack of trust and confidence in Sharia courts. The integrity of the Sharia justice system in Marawi City is often questioned due to corruption and a perceived weakening of the rule of law. The lack of transparency and accountability within the Sharia courts has undermined public confidence in their ability to provide fair and impartial justice. The most immediate and damaging consequence of corruption within the Sharia courts is the erosion of public trust. For any legal system to function effectively, the public must believe that the court system is fair, impartial, and committed to upholding justice. Also, corruption disrupts the very foundation of legal fairness by prioritizing personal gain over impartiality. The principle of equal treatment under the law is essential to any judicial system, and when corruption seeps into the decision making process, it leads to systemic injustice. For example, if a judge is found to have taken bribes to rule in favor of one party, it not only damages the reputation of that individual judge but also casts doubts on the fairness of all decisions rendered by the courts. Another significant issue in the Sharia justice system in Marawi is the inefficiency within the judiciary's administrative structure. Many employees within the Sharia courts are seen as inefficient largely due to a lack of proper training or accountability mechanisms. Furthermore, nepotism in hiring practices has contributed to an environment where meritocracy is not prioritized and individuals with the necessary qualifications and skills are often overlooked in favor of family or political connections. Another issue confronting the Sharia justice system in Marawi City is the insufficient local government support. The local government of Marawi City has been criticized for not providing adequate support to the Sharia justice system. While the Sharia courts are part of the broader judicial framework, the Supreme Court, it still needs some financial and administrative support from the local government agencies to improve infrastructure, increase staffing, and expand their scope of services. According to one article, the local government's failure to allocate sufficient resources for the Sharia courts has resulted in inadequate facilities, underpaid personnel, and a lack of technical advancements. This lack of support has hampered the Sharia court's capacity to function effectively and provide timely justice to the Muslim population of Marawi. The last significant issue confronting Sharia justice system in Marawi City is its limited resources in human, financial, and technological areas. The Sharia courts within the 4th Sharia Judicial District in Marawi City is currently experiencing shortage of judges due to several vacant positions. The presiding judge of the 4th Sharia District Court in Marawi City is also serving as the acting judge for two additional courts. And out of the 12 Sharia circuit courts, only 5 have regular judges, while the remaining positions are filled by judges serving in an acting capacity. Also, these courts often operate with insufficient staffing, leading to overburdened personnel and delayed case resolutions. Another constraint in terms of financial resources. Limited funding restricts the court's ability to maintain and improve infrastructure, hire additional staff, and implement necessary reforms. Unlike the regular courts, the Sharia courts is often discriminated because it only receive an allocated annual budget which is significantly lower than that of the regular courts. The Sharia justice system also lags in technological advancements, relying on outdated practices that impede case management and efficiency. This is because not all the personnel have the necessary skills in terms of technological advances, which can make them work with the necessary reforms being developed or implemented by the Supreme Court. The current status of the Sharia justice system in Marawi City highlights significant challenges that hinder its efficiency and effectiveness. Operating under the 4th Sharia Judicial District, the system includes 1 Sharia District Court and 12 Sharia Circuit Courts. However, it is burdened by a critical shortage of judges, with several key positions remaining vacant. This lack of permanent judicial officers undermines the court's ability to deliver timely and effective justice. Compounding this issue are outdated facilities, limited financial support, and insufficient resources, all of which contribute to delays and inefficiencies in case resolution. This system These systemic deficiencies weaken public confidence in the Sharia justice system and impede its ability to meet the legal needs of Marawi's Muslim population. In conclusion, a strengthened Sharia justice system is crucial for the Muslim community in Marawi City as it serves a vital institution for preserving cultural and religious identity while ensuring justice and fairness in legal disputes. However, the system is currently confronted with numerous challenges, and its status in terms of operation, administration, and enforcement of justice is far from ideal. Limited jurisdiction and resources have left the Sharia courts overburdened and struggling with case backlogs, which undermine their capacity to provide timely and comprehensive justice. Addressing these contemporary issues is essential to restore the integrity and credibility of the Sharia justice system in Marawi City. Here are some recommendations. First is expansion of jurisdiction and resources. Second is capacity building for legal professionals. Third is modernization through technology. Fourth is strengthening integrity and accountability. Fourth is community engagement and public awareness. And last is enhanced local government support. First recommendation is expansion of jurisdiction and resources. Expanding the jurisdiction of Sharia courts to include criminal cases is essential to provide comprehensive justice for the Muslim community. The current limited scope of Sharia law often leaves critical legal matters unaddressed. Increased financial allocations from both national and local governments are also necessary to address infrastructure deficits, modernize facilities, and reduce case backlogs, ensuring that the courts can handle an expanded range of cases. Second recommendation is capacity building for legal professionals. To address the shortage of trained legal professionals, dedicated training programs should be established for Sharia court judges, clerks, and counselors. These programs must focus on Islamic jurisprudence, contemporary legal principles, and efficient case management techniques. Furthermore, active participation of the ulama and other qualified Islamic scholars in court proceedings should be encouraged to ensure that decisions are aligned with both Islamic law and modern legal standards, bridging the gap between tradition and current judicial needs. Third is modernization through technology. Modernization of the Sharia courts through technology is crucial for improving operational efficiency and transparency. Investment should be made in digitalizing court records and implementing advanced case management systems to streamline court operations and reduce delays. Providing court staff with the necessary technological tools and training will further enhance productivity, accountability, and public trust in the system. Fourth, strengthening integrity and accountability within the Sharia justice system requires the implementation of stringent anti corruption measures. Regular audits and transparent recruitment policies are essential to curbing corruption and ensuring ethical practices. Emphasizing merit based hiring processes will reduce nepotism and promote professionalism, which is critical for restoring public confidence in the judiciary. Fifth is community engagement and public awareness. Community engagement and public awareness programs should be conducted to educate the public about the role and functions of Sharia courts. These efforts can foster trust in the system and encourage its use for legal redress. Facilitating dialogue between local government units, civil society organizations, and the Muslim community is vital to ensuring that proposed reforms address the diverse needs of stakeholders, leading to a more inclusive and responsive justice system. And the last recommendation is enhanced local government support. Enhanced local government support is imperative for the effective functioning of Sharia courts. Stronger partnerships between Sharia courts and local government units are needed to secure financial and logistical backing for operations. Inclusive policymaking should be advocated to prioritize the unique requirements of the Muslim population, ensuring that Sharia justice system can fulfill its role as a vital institution for justice in Marawi City. These recommendations are all aimed to address the root causes of inefficiency and restore public confidence in the Sharia justice system, ensuring that it fulfills its role as a vital institution for justice in Marawi City. As parting words, it is vital to continue exploring innovative solutions to these issues, fostering a justice system that not only respects Islamic principles but also adapts to the evolving realities of modern pluralistic society. Thank you for your attention. Shukran. Jazakumullahu khairan. I look forward to any questions or discussions you may have. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.